Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. So, a little divergence now formed right ahead of our cluster area, 9940 areas. We didn't quite get down there, we got down to 9972. This was a dead stop on there, but then we worked up just shy, but we do have a divergence, so higher RSI, lower price. Everyone should know what a divergence is by now. We might have a temporary bottom. I'm just going to jump down to 1 hour. Horribly sloppy double bottom right here. Verging on triple bottom. Reasons it's sloppy is this spike up. So wasn't looking to trade this because of sloppiness, but there is, because it's near the cluster area, and we did have that divergence. You know, we might be bottoming now. Looks like we might get the first crest of rotation zone on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. What I'm really going to watch to know if we have a temporary bottom, at least, is if we get a close above 1300. That would be above the 4 hour rotation zone and the key level. And then I'd be watching for a little rally. You can always do your GAN projections higher at that point if we do get above 1300 to watch for the higher levels. Major then resistance would come in about 10,600, and then we'd be watching for about 10,900 based off the 4 hour chart. Daily chart, we're still below the rotation zone. So in order, if we do get another rally, you see there's still buying pressure. We dip below this 50-day exponential moving average, and we keep popping back up. We tested it yesterday. We dipped below today. Really watch for today closes, if it closes above this 50-day exponential moving average or not. And then based off the daily, the key level I'll be watching is about 10,750. So that's what we're looking at based off the daily. Now, if this divergence does not hold, we don't get the key close above about 1300. Now to the downside, 97.23, then 95.72 are the next levels back down. Switch over to Ethereum. So we had 208.84, which you see held nicely on the 4 hour. Also dropped down to 1 hour. This is even though this is sloppy double, this is the kind of thing you're looking for, right at a key level. And you get a sloppy reversal pattern. Even had a divergence on the 1 hour here, and then a nice rally off of that. First cross rotation zone on the 1 hour. Let's jump back to the 4 hour. We also got the divergence on the 4 hour. So lower low in price, higher low in RSI, returning to the rotation zone. Key area I'll be watching for to see if we have temporary bottoms about 220. If we get a close above 220, then I'll be watching for about 225 is the next key area up. And then if we get through there, I'll return to about 234. If we rotate back down, remember the rotation zone is against us. So first level of key support still at 208. Then we're looking at 206. At that point, you can update the GAN levels further down. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, you see we have this resistance on the bottom of the rotation zone. Right now that's coming in about 229. So really pay attention based off the daily chart at 229. Above 229, see right now we're forming almost a doji on the daily. Again, might be temporary bottom. If we get above 229, then you see these levels the upside, but really pay attention to 246, the upside. That would be the top of the rotation zone on the daily chart. So what we have for you in Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.